everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week 511 to go into my envelopes. I already started off with my wallet, have that figured out. I'm going to be doing 170. So in my wallet I do $30 in spending, $80 in groceries, eating out gets 30, coffee gets 20 this week, and buffer gets 10. Spending, I said 30, right? I can't even remember. But yeah, I usually do those amounts in my wallet every week. I've been pretty good. I didn't spend any of my spending money yet. I did a little eating out. I'm gonna have a good amount, I feel, for some savings challenges, which I'm excited about. So that's gonna be my wallet for the week. I'm actually gonna go into like some savings challenges first, because I have some already figured out, like this roll the dice. Let me write that down right here. Roll the dice is gonna get $6. Okay, so I'm gonna do 511. I'm gonna subtract the 170 and then the 6. Okay. And then the other one I wanted to figure out first is the 52 week, so that one's 20. 52 week is 20. Okay, so that's going into savings. All right, so I'm gonna go into another binder. Oh, this binder first, okay. So in here, in beauty, I think I just want to do, I have 10. I actually need to buy something soon. So I'm going to put 15 in here. Did I subtract, oh gosh, I can't even remember if I subtracted 170, 15, 6, and 20. Okay, so I'm at, my calculator does not like me. I'm gonna try really hard to get this to work this time and not mess up. Okay, so I have 300, okay, 300. So beauty is getting 15. Clothing, I'm gonna do 10 in clothing, so minus 10. Content, I think I'm just gonna do 5 this week because I already have 41. I'm actually saving up so I can buy some Amazon, like planner Amazon items that I can make a video on. And also because I want to get some new planner stuff, or like stationery stuff. So Costco, I don't have any grocery money. Usually what I do with this one is I will take leftover from groceries and then put it into Costco. I'm not gonna be able to do that this week. So because of that, I'm gonna put 10 into Costco. Okay, minus 10. They're still good. Disney. So I'm actually going to Disney next weekend, actually. So, and I have 45, so I think I want to put 20 in. Okay, I've been seeing, like, I watch a lot of, I watch some Disney content, like people going to the parks and then showing you all the new stuff, and I keep seeing some things that I want to buy. So I really need to save a little bit more, so at least I can get like one of those things that I've seen. There's a lot of cute stuff. The next one is going to be extra debt. I'm going to put 25 in here. Okay, 25. Family, I'm going to put 10. Fun, 10 as well. Holiday decor, I only have 9. I'm going to do 10 in holiday decor. I already finished setting up all my Halloween stuff, so I'm good, but you know, now Christmas is coming, so I need to get maybe a couple of things for Christmas. Maybe like a few new ornaments or something. Home decor, I'm gonna do 10 as well. Household, let's do 15 this week. Planner stuff, I really don't need anything planner related, but I'm gonna put 5. You never know, something might come up. Oh, and also I'm just gonna switch this to hobbies, so that way I can just use it for all the things I like to do. So that'll be good to start using it for just any of my hobbies that I like to do. Target is going to get 15. Okay. Hopefully that my calculator didn't mess up, but I think that is correct. Next, I'm gonna go into this binder right here. Okay, auto repair. I'm actually going today to get an oil change, and I have $195, so it's more than enough to do the oil change. But I'm gonna put 15 in here. Christmas, I think I want to do 20. And Christmas. Electronics, 10. Emergency, I'll do 20. Okay, furniture, I have 130. I'm going to do 10. Gifts, I still need to buy my grandma a gift for her birthday. But I have 110, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna do 5. And registration, I'm gonna do 5 as well. Treat yourself, I do the same that I put in extra debt, so I'm gonna do 25. And that's it for this one. And the last one I have is Go Wild, and then 100 envelope challenge, I believe. Okay, so Go Wild, which actually have 1140. I think I'm gonna do, let's see how much I have left, 45, okay. I'm gonna do 15. So I have 30, yeah, 30. And I could do the 100 envelope. Okay, so here's the 100 envelope. Okay, I think I'm gonna do, I can do 29, 27. I'll do 25. Just one this week. But I do have money that like I said, I don't plan on spending. I might spend a little bit from here today, but by tomorrow I'm gonna be switching all of this out. So all this extra money that I have in here that I didn't spend is gonna go into savings challenges. So I might be good. I might be able to do another one of these, maybe, we'll see. But I can do at least 25 in here. So I'm left with 30. Oh wait, sorry, minus 25. Now I'm left with $5. So I'll just put that into the savings challenge. A $5 one, I have a $5 one right here for October. Okay, I think with that, everything should be good. I think that is all calculated correctly, hopefully. But I'm gonna double check by tallying everything up. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the denominations. So for beauty, it's gonna be 10 and a 5. Clothing is 10. Content is 5. Costco is a 10. Disney is 20. Extra debt is 25. Family, we have a few 10s, so 10, 10, 10, and 10. And then household is going to be 15. 5 for planner stuff, 15 for Target. Auto repair is 15. Christmas is 20. Electronics is 10. 20, another 10. Gifts is 5. Registration is 5 as well. Treat yourself is 25. Go Wild is 15. Roll the dice is 6. I need a 5 and a 1. 52 week is a 20, 100 envelope 25, and savings, I'm just gonna do a $5 bill for savings. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna tally all of this up, count all the little tally marks. So 50 is 1, 20 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And 1s is 5 and 6. So for 50s, we have $50. 20s, 200. 10s, 180. 5s is 25, 5, 6, 75, I think. 15 times 5. Ooh, 15 times 5. 75, yeah. 75 and then 6. All right, so now I'm just going to add all this up to make sure it equals to 511. Let's hope it does. So 50, 200, 180, 75, and 6. Perfect, 511. All right, so when I go to the bank today, I'm gonna ask for 150, 10 20s, 18 10s, 15 5s, and 6 1s. Thank you so much for joining me in this cash planning budget with me video. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay tuned for tomorrow's cash stuffing of this. That'll be up tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next video.